Hereby, once again we have assembled on online learning platform, and this time pandemic COVID-19 marks it with the statistics. Introduction. In this country, we have marked numerical terms for pandemic COVID-19 outbreak. ये भारत वो मातृभूमि के तौर पर उभरा जिसने अपनी सफलताओं की एक नई भारत सेल्फ रिलायंट इंडिया को मार्क किया न्यूमेरिक टर्म्स में. Everything marks its identity in data. These numeric terms, data, information, gathered together to form a strong base, a foundation for future. And that's have to be policy drafted and implementation. We have to plan in advance. So we used to assemble all the information of the past experiences. हम पुराने समीकरण को जोड़कर एक नए समीकरण की आधार रखते हैं. वो सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है statistics. It marks the identity with the economics. It is a science because it has everything to be justified with experience, with evidences. So statistics is a science which uses the mathematical model and tools to deliver us result. Statistics एक स्रोत है, एक वो समीकरण बांधने का तरीका है जिससे हम अपनी सारे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस को कलेक्ट कर कर फ्यूचर की एक बेटर पॉलिसी को ले आउट करते हैं. Dear scholars, once again we have assembled, and this time it's pandemic COVID-19 online classes for statistics. The word I have written is new to you because you are going to understand what that statistics stands with the term economics. And this time, statistics and economics will deal with you. Actually, every nation, when you study a nation, it marks you few information. And it stands in the term data. And when you have nation's information and its data, so then there is one thing which always been acknowledged. And this cycle is said to be starting with numeric values. And these numeric values provide you quantitative data. And this quantitative data brings actual picture. And this is Deltinic statistics. Means to say, when we study the term statistics, we have a nation which has certain information. And this information marks you with the word data. And then this data is the actual picture. And the actual picture is derived in the terms of numeric values. And these numeric values marks the quantitative information. And that's why it said statistics. And these statistics is required to have economics, stability, to ensure certainty. And to ensure this certainty, every nation marks the cycle of information, that is raw data, numeric values, and that delivers you quantitative information. Quantitative, because it always have the quantity value. It will have term of number. It is number game. And that number game depicts the actual picture reality, and that is oriented on ground reality. And that marks you with the word statistics, and it's a part of economics because we used to check this statistics with the actual picture, what we have think of and what we have achieved. It is ground reality, whether the goals are achieved or not. If it is not, then what is lagging behind future? So that's why firstly we have to check out where we were and now where we have reached. So this is the first picture of the statistics, which you have to check it out. And now we are concluding it over here with the promise to see each other again for the next phase. Till then, take care. Statistics stands with collection of information. It get organized and descriptive in the policy drafting, policy formation, and later everything assessed from production to population, experiments to theory, discipline, and mathematical branches to its interpretation. It has the identity of past and future evaluation. So let's check it out. Marks us with the phases, what we have and what we needed, and it has a representation. Everything is being classified here and presented in a form which can deliver us a result orientation. Scholars, this is extension class, and hereby we are discussing in previous session statistics. So again we have assembled for the same. Now I have said that it is a matter of economics. I have said to you that this is matter of economics, and in that previous chapter which you have understood in economics, so you have written this word, resources, and then I said that it is matter of one thing, that is representing management. So for resource management, you need statistics. Why you need statistics? Firstly, you have one thing, which is plan. And then this plan have to be policies drafted. And when you have these policies to be drafted, so then you have drafted these policies, and then you lead to its implementation. Then one thing means to say that when you plan, like you planned, so you are on one way towards goal. एक स्टेप आगे लेते हो गोल्स के लिए. Then when you draft these policies, so it presents you a picture of a link between your past and next to your future. And then the policy implementation brings present situation. Your present situation. And this implementation brings present situation. It is a picture of link from your past to future. From your past to future, which means right now your present and later it will become your future. And why it is so important that we need statistics? Because all this information is being assessed, and that assessment marks you with the word numeric data. कि कल की वैल्यूज क्या थी और आज की वैल्यूज क्या है, कल का इन्फ्लेशन रेट क्या था और आज के इन्फ्लेशन रेट क्या है, and that marks you with the word statistics. So it is basically a resource management, and that brings you with a plan, policies, and its implementation. Firstly, where we were and where we have to create a link, and how that link can be attained, or if it is attained, then what is the present situation. So this is said to be your statistics and your economics collaboration. So hereby we are concluding it with a promise to see each other again. Statistics marks its identity with the mass availability of data, which is a concrete information about any problem which we have generated from past experience. हमने पिछले सारे किए कर्मों से सबक लिया है और that will be utilized in comparison. फिर हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्रेडिक्शन करते हैं और फिर उससे अपनी सारे रिजल्ट की फॉर्मुलेशन पॉलिसीज में निकालते हैं. That marks the identity. Comparison, prediction, and then formulation of policy lays the ground for success of policy. So statistics plays a vital role in the formulation of this country great policies to its implementation, and if it get a success then milestone achieved, and if we lag behind, हम कहीं पीछे छूट गए या कोई कोताही हो गई, तो that also get evaluated and it lays the strong foundation of better tomorrow with an experience. So statistics is the main essence of economics to derive this country out of any problem. And hereby with this note we are concluding it for today with a promise to see each other again.